How to turn off likes notification on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First you will just open TikTok, and then as everyone know, when you open TikTok it will open on home directly or automatically. You will just go now to profile, open your profile, then go to this three line at the top of the screen, then click on settings and privacy, then go to notification. You will find likes, turn off it displays and make it look like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and if you have any question you can write it down in comments. So see you next video.